Welcome everyone. My name is Prem. Today we are going to see JMeter introduction. So this is the new series that I am going to start. So what is JMeter and why we should use JMeter, that we are going to see. So let's start. So what is JMeter? JMeter is a desktop based application. It is desktop based application designed for performance testing. So what is performance testing, you might be asking? In performance testing, we check the response time, how quickly the application is responding, that we check. Like you can see the Facebook or Gmail, okay, they have lakhs of user. So in how many second or millisecond the application is giving response, if you want to check, then the JMeter is the best tool for this. Okay, in current days, performance testing is very much important. Why? Giving services is not important. How quickly you are giving services, that is important. Okay. So JMeter is best suited for what purpose? Performance testing. It is having very friendly GUI. The GUI is very easy. So user friendly GUI. And most important thing, it is developed in Java. Thus, it is a platform independent. You can use this JMeter on Windows also, Linux also, and Mac also. Okay, so it supports multiple platform. It supports multiple platform such that Windows, Linux, and Mac. Okay, now JMeter is not only, I can say, performance testing tool. It supports multiple test strategies. Means with the help of JMeter, you can do performance testing also, you can do the load testing also, you can do the functional testing also, you can do the API testing also. So JMeter supports multiple test strategies also. So if you learn JMeter, so it's not limited to what only performance testing, you can do the other testing also. So with the help of JMeter, you can do multiple types of testing also. Okay, so it supports multiple test strategy. Means it supports multiple types of testing. So it supports performance testing, load testing, distributed testing, functional testing, API testing, various types of testing supported. Next thing, installation of JMeter is like cakewalk. You will get zip file, you need to unzip it, and JMeter is ready to use. Okay, so easy installation of JMeter is there. Okay, now next thing, JMeter is open source. The source code of JMeter is available on internet. You can see it and you can develop your own plugin and add to the JMeter. Thus, JMeter is highly extensible. JMeter is what? Highly extensible. You can extend its capability. Okay. JMeter supports multiple protocols like HTTP, FTP, SOAP, JDBC. Supports multiple protocol such that HTTP, FTP, SMTP, SOAP, and JDBC, etc. And you can visualize your test result in various format. Okay. Okay. Next thing is what? It is having very powerful feature of record and playback. So record and playback feature is there. So what happens is that with the help of record and playback, in the recording mode, whatever you will do, it will record, that means it will generate the script automatically for that, and you can play back n number of time whatever you want, and you can play back that script, generated script, n number of time. It's up to you how you do. So in the recording mode, script generation is automatically. Okay, and you can play back n number of times as per your need. Okay, and today is the era of what? Today's era of what? Open source tool. And in the open source category, JMeter comes very first of performance testing. Okay, everyone. So it's quite easy to learn also, and it will be quite beneficial to you also if you learn JMeter. Okay, everyone. This much is for this video, everyone. Now in the next video, I will be telling you how to install JMeter in your Windows OS. Okay. And till that time, take care. Have a great day, everyone.